Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my Amazon for Beginners channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys again how to look for products or source products from Walmart to sell on your Amazon FBA business, right? And before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below, and that way you guys can join my group, attend my live trainings every week for free, and also network with other Amazon sellers. Because if you guys don't know, the networking is everything, right? When you're in business. So yeah, so how to source from Walmart.com. First up is obviously go to Walmart.com, right? And then pick any random product. So let's see. So let's try this one right here. It's a Ninja air fryer, right? And then the next up is open up your Amazon.com website. And then from here, you copy the title, right, of your product from Walmart. And then you search that product on Amazon. And then from here, you look for the exact same product. So let's see. So AF100WM is the exact model number. Wow, there's a lot of them here. So yeah, we need to find the exact product. So let me do this. Let me get the model number, and then I'm gonna find it, right? So on your Mac or PC, you can do Command or Control F, and then you can paste the model number or anything that you want to find on a page, and then search it, right? Oh, right there. Okay, got it. Right there. It's right there. So let's open this up and see if they match. So let's see here. Okay, so this one is $69. This one is a Ninja 4-quart air fryer, and the model number is AF100WM. Okay, it's the same. Color is black. This one is black, but let me double check. Oh, this one is turquoise. This one says black though, but the photos are the same. So that's a little interesting. But let's just run the numbers and see if it makes sense. So this one is $69. I mean, this one only has one sale a month. I mean, I think it's pretty okay as far as comparing it to other sellers in their inventory. So this one is a new listing as well. Only 61 days on the market. So let me see. Yeah, this one's a very interesting product. It looks like the same one, except for the color. So I would double check. You can contact the seller on here on Walmart and just double check if the colors really match. So yeah, for this product, I would circle back and just do some more research on this to see if they really match. And yeah, so at least you found one, right, from Walmart. And the next one, let's see. Let's try this one right here. Okay. So again, we copy the title, search on Amazon. So the brand is Great Value, right? Yeah, Great Value. It's a brand. So let's look for Great Value. I don't see any Great Value. Yeah, I'm not sure if Great Value is going to be here because Great Value is Walmart's brand. Yeah, I don't think it's here. So let's skip that one. Let's see. Let's try this one. Sorry. Let's try this one. Search on Amazon. So Persil is a brand. ProClean, 150 fluid ounces, 96 loads. Okay, looks like it's this one. And then we compare. So double check the photos, title, description, size, colors, right? That's what was the first stop. It looks the same. So now I would run the numbers. So this one is 1947 on Walmart. So you plug in your cost here, 1947. It's negative ROI, so I like to look at the other sellers and how they price it. Yeah, they're pretty much selling this one for the same price. So this one is going to be negative. I mean, unless you want to price it here, which I don't recommend because you want to be at the top, right? Top part of the listing, and that way you can get the sale. So this one is not. I mean, we found a product, which is the point of the video, right? But we're just not finding a product with good data on it. So let's try one more try for this video. So again, go to Walmart, pick a product, copy the title, search on Amazon, look for the exact same product, which I believe is this one. So Clean Matte BB cream for oily skin, medium 530, or light 5. Wait a second. That's not it. I don't think it's the same one. Let's see. Okay, light, medium 530. This one is light 520. Which is strange. Okay, so these are not the same, but I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, I showed you guys how to search Walmart for products to sell on Amazon. So you start with Walmart.com, look for their product on Amazon, run your data, and if the numbers make sense, buy it for your Amazon store. And if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, please join, and I'm going to post the link below, and that way you guys can be a part of my weekly free Amazon calls and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.